All right, so let's get started, and I want to show you how to make Copycat Fazoli's Alfredo sauce. So the first thing you're going to need is 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then on medium heat, we're going to start to melt it. And so we're just going to melt it a little bit. All right, so we're just going to gently stir this. This is just over medium heat. You can use a large skillet. I'm using like a medium-sized pot. Just stir it. It's getting pretty melted. And then the next thing I'm going to add is I have 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder and then half a teaspoon of salt. You can do this to taste if you want. So if you want a little less garlic powder, you could start with like 1 teaspoon, and you can do the salt to taste. If you only have salted butter on hand, you might want to reduce the salt. So I'm just going to stir this in. Everything's nice and melted. And then the next thing I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flour, because at Fazoli's, their Alfredo's, it's like a thicker Alfredo. It's not a thin Alfredo. So we want to make sure we have, some bulk to it. So we're going to add the flour. And then I've got 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream. I've got 1 cup of milk. And then 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And then I'm also going to add just a little bit of pepper to taste. I just did a sprinkle. All right, so we've got everything in here. We're going to use our whisk. So make sure you have a whisk, because that's the key to a good Alfredo sauce. Because that way it doesn't get lumpy. If you cook it over like medium or medium high and whisk it pretty frequently, I think you'll have the best results. All right, so I'm just going to cook it for a few minutes. I'm going to whisk. I'm just going to cook it on medium heat, low and slow. And now it's starting to come together, so I'm going to turn it up for a minute. And I'm going to bring it to a higher heat. And then I'm going to bring it back down. All right, so I've just been stirring this continuously for about 4 to 5 minutes, just gently whisking it. And this is what it looks like. If you want to add more salt, pepper, garlic powder, you can do it to taste. If you want it a little bit thicker, add just a little bit more flour. I'm going to plate it up and serve it with some fettuccine, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I just quickly cooked some fettuccine and cooked and rinsed it, and then added the Alfredo on top so you could see it plated up. But this is what it looks like. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how it goes in the comments below.